My dad's beautiful. My dad's gorgeous. I love my father. I absolutely love my father. Anyways, I'm gonna get my dad out of here. Fuck, my fucking brain is having a... There's a game about a ruined wedding? That's awful. Weddings are supposed to be the happiest day of your lives, not ruined. Please fix my wedding. Why the do you need me to fix it, you dumb, stupid idiot? God, can you save the wedding cake? I don't care to save your stupid ass wedding. I could give less of a fuck if your wedding went wrong. Quite frankly, I don't know you and you don't know me, and I couldn't give less of a shit. What the fuck is this?
¡Listos! ¡Fuera! ¡Hechos marcas! ¡Listos! ¡Fuera! ¡Hechos marcas! ¡Listos! ¡Fuera! ¡Hechos marcas! ¡Listos! ¡Fuera!
Todo lo que decían era XD. When there's not enough blunts for everyone. When there's 6 people in the room but only 2 blunts. No!
I am coming over, Poppy. You better be on that bed.
No! I don't like the silence. Jesus Christ! No, wrong song.
I am going to take a massive shit. You son of a bitch!
Nuestro que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre, venga a nosotros tu reino, hágase tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo, danos nuestro pan de cada día, perdona nuestras ofensas como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden, no nos dejes caer en la tentación y líbranos del mal.
3, 2, 1, bye. 3, 2, 1, bye. 3, 2, 1, bye. John Smith with the purple rims. John Smith doesn't give a shit. Oh my ass. John Smith with the purple rims. Tú sigue, yo no voy a chocar, yo no te voy a chocar, tú síguele.
Bestie, we can't see you? What did I tell you about calling me bestie?
I am not your bestie. I don't know who you are. I'm not your bestie.